What up, y'all? It's Coach Dom here with another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning kickouts and step outs. So these, just like CCs, just like hooks, these are in-your-face footwork, right? This is footwork you want to be doing while you're facing your opponent. Make eye contact, kind of get in their head a little bit if you're doing a battle, okay? So first, kickouts, super simple. There's a couple different ways you can do them, okay? This move is all really about speed, but it's very simple. So first, I want to put my hand down. When I kick my legs out, I want to make sure to kick out away from where my hand is. So if my right hand is down, I'm going to be kicking to my left. All right? So when we kick out, we want to jump straight out to our heels and keep our legs completely straight, like this. Then we jump back into our zero position, here. Now we're going to switch our hands. Now that my left hand is down, I'm kicking out to my right. Let's try it again. Heels and back. All right? Depending on the level you're at, holding that position might be pretty tough. So like I said, it's about speed. We want to go out and back, then switch. Out and back, and switch. If you're having trouble getting your legs all the way straight, we can do a different variation of our kick out where we open our legs more and kick to the side. Here and back. Switch hands. Here and back. Both of those kickouts are awesome. Pick the one which suits you best, or do both. Now, we're going to give you a quick bonus called step outs. This one takes a little bit more technique, but we're going to be putting our right hand down. And same rule as our kickouts, we're going to be sending our legs this way, except we're going to be stepping with our inside leg and then our outside leg, then returning in that order, okay? So right leg out, left leg out, right leg in, left leg in. Switch. Now that this hand is down, we're going to mirror that. Left hand is down, so my left leg is out, right leg is out, left leg is in, right leg is in. When we do them fast, they look like this. Kick out, kick out. Have fun with your new footwork step. And remember, like Coach Combo says, practice